What's the best tip or tricks to get stair stringers cut exactly the same? Mine are off after cutting the second one.
What are the best tips to get stair stringers the same or as close to the same as each other? That's a good question. There are lots of ways to do it. So we're not talking about the math. The math, basically, you want your rise and your run to equal 17 or 18 inches. That's ideal. However, getting them to lay out exactly the same as each other requires a couple of steps. Now, I've done a million stair stringers where I just did my run and my rise, and I just held the square there. And that's good enough. This is rough carpentry, so an 1/8 inch is kind of okay. I was having trouble with the edge of the framing lumber, so I added this jig. I drilled a hole in the blade and the tongue of the square and just zapped a couple screws through there so that I don't have to adjust the square anymore. And I've got a long straight edge. If the framing's all lumpy bumpy, this will even that out. So that's 1, 2, I also number these, 1, 2, and so on. Now, this is 2x12 treated lumber. It's a lot for any circular saw to cut, never mind a cordless circular saw. So what happens, or what can happen, is you can get off your layout very, very easily because 2x12s are almost always cupped and the saw is trying to climb over and all this other stuff. So what I do instead is I make a template, and this serves multi-purposes. I make a template out of an easy to cut OSB. Then, instead of individually measuring and marking each stair carriage or stair horse or stringer, I use this to mark all subsequent stringers. That way, if they're all wrong, they're at least all wrong the same. So I'll trace this, I'll cut it out, and then tools. I get the biggest, baddest, loudest, meanest saw I have, and I cut with that. I have a different circular saw, it's on the truck, but it doesn't have enough oomph to manage this. So 3 things: stair gauge template for the framing square, easy to cut template, and then using the template for subsequent stair carriages.